We've spent some time looking at why it is so difficult to accurately predict what artificial intelligence will do decades from now. But if we pull our focus away from distant science fiction, the near-term shifts are already highly visible. That brings us to Chapter 14, The Future of AI and Skills for an AI-Driven World. Specifically, we will focus on Section 02, titled The Road Ahead, Where AI is Headed Next. This roadmap lays out our path. First, 2.1. From answering to doing, AI agents. Next, 2.2, one system, many senses, multimodal AI. Then 2.3, AI steps off the screen. And finally, 2.4, cheaper, smaller, and everywhere. The next phase of artificial intelligence arrives as a series of concrete, practical updates to the tools you likely already use. Let's start with subsection 2.1, from answering to doing, AI agents. Historically, AI tools operated as passive chatbots. You ask a question, they give you an answer, and you decide what to do next. We are now seeing the rise of agentic AI, systems capable of taking a goal, breaking it into steps, and executing those steps across different software programs. Tell an AI agent to book my trip, and it branches into automated actions, searching flights, entering details, and syncing your calendar. Notice this flashing note: mistakes cascade. So agents need a human in the loop. It requires manual approval before spending money. As major office tools start doing these small jobs for you, your role shifts toward managing the process. Checking the final output before relying on it becomes your most essential safety skill. Moving down the roadmap, we reach subsection 2.2, one system, many senses, multimodal AI. Early language models were strictly confined to text. Multimodal AI allows a single system to process several different types of input and output at the exact same time. Looking at this diagram, you can see how separate capabilities merge. Text, photos, voice waveforms, and video all flow into one centralized system, which then returns a single helpful response. This makes AI feel like a natural extension of ordinary life. It removes the barrier for anyone who prefers talking, pointing a camera, over typing a highly specific text prompt. Next is subsection 2.3, AI steps off the screen. Most AI use happens on a digital display, but embodied AI pairs software with physical machines like delivery devices or vehicles. Instead of a human programming every motor movement by hand, the machine uses AI to interpret plain language goals and calculate the physical steps needed to achieve them. This comparison addresses a common myth. The left side shows the popular image of humanoid robots in messy homes. The reality, on the right, is rigid. Real homes are full of clutter and unpredictable obstacles, making them difficult for current AI to navigate reliably. A mistake from a chatbot might generate a bad sentence, but a mistake from a physical robot could damage property. Because of that risk, physical automation is advancing at a steady pace within structured workplaces like farms, factories, and assembly lines. The physical world is less forgiving than a text box. This reality pushes hardware-based AI into a slower, steadier evolutionary timeline. Finally, we reach subsection 2.4, cheaper, smaller, and everywhere. Over the past few years, the cost of running capable AI models has dropped significantly. As a result, smaller, highly efficient models are becoming widespread. Because these systems require less processing power, AI is becoming an invisible feature built directly into your phone, your email client, and your car. Running smaller models directly on your local device also helps protect your privacy. Since the AI operates right there on your hardware, your data does not need to be sent to a distant server for processing. The future of AI lies in thousands of tiny, embedded features, quietly supporting our everyday tools, often without us even noticing they are there. To summarize, AI agents complete tasks requiring human oversight. Multimodal AI sees, hears, and speaks, making use easier. Embodied AI moves into physical machines and workplaces. Finally, cheaper AI is built directly into tools, used without even seeking it out. These four directions represent the visible trajectory of AI development, practical shifts already moving into our lives today. Take a moment to review this table. Understanding these immediate shifts is the first step in mastering skills for an AI-driven world.